Hi everyone, I'm your instructor Naeem Khan. This is my next episode where we will talk about nested if statement or nested if condition in C++ language. So basically I will create a program and then I will show you how we can use nested if statement and when we can use nested if statement. So first of all I will create right here a variable. So I'll name it int a. So I name it int a. This is my a is my variable name. So now I will print out some message on my screens. So I will type just simple enter your value. Okay, so it will print on this console applications enter your value message. Okay, so I will catch value from user. So for that I will use cin functions and store that value into my a variable which I already declare here. So now basically I will type here if conditions. Okay, so basically I already told you if condition. Okay, so now and if conditions we have to use a double equal to, okay, double equal to 10. I'm typing here 10 value. Okay, so basically now here you can see double equal to. If you know about maths, in maths you can use single equal to, okay, for equaling values. In programming language you have to type double equal to for equaling a value. So now a is 10. Basically it's like a math, a equal to 10, that means a is 10. So basically I'm I'm writing here conditions a equal to 10s. So that time you have to whenever user will type on the console application 10, so now this message will be execute. So I will type here you entered 10 number. Okay, so basically here is another conditions. You can use multiple conditions. So basically nested if condition, nested means you can use if condition in between another if condition, so that is called nested if conditions. So I will use another condition. So for that I will use else, and after that I will use if. Means else if there is another condition you have to check. We are telling the compiler. Okay, so now basically I will type here a is equal to 5. Okay, so that time you have to print this message. Okay, so I will type here you entered 5 number. Okay, so let me remove r. And now there is another conditions. If you know if you can use multiples conditions. Okay, like if you are using another condition, so for that you can use else if. You can use much more times. Okay, so in last conditions will be else. Okay, I already told you in my previous video, in my previous episodes. Okay, so now here is our last statement. So I will write here so just for different value. Okay, so whenever you will run your program, so if user will type 10, so it will show this message. Okay, so if the user type 5, so basically console will check this statement, compiler will check this statement. So here is 10. Okay, so that means compiler will ignore this statement. Okay, compiler will go down, so it will check here 5. So if user already typed here 5, so that message will be appear on the console. If user type different value, so it will so this message will be shown on the console application. So I will save this file and then go to build and run buttons. And now here you can see console applications appear. Enter your value. For example, I will type 10. Okay, so I hit enter. So console is asking the user you enter 10 number. So basically it's correct. So now let's create let's type 5. At this time I'm typing 5, so it will print out you entered 5 number. Basically compiler is checking whenever you will run your program, so compiler will check on the top this line of codes. Okay, you already typed here, so it will check here. It will go down here. You can see your conditions is a equal to 10, so you have to print this message. We are telling compiler if user typed 5, so it will check here is there is no 5 or there is 10, so it will go down here and check this conditions a equal to 5. So user typed 5 here, so it will print this message. Okay, and also here is else condition. So this condition is using that time whenever you will run your programs. And now here you can see a equal to 10, a equal to 5, and I typed here like say 12, so I will enter so different value. Okay, so this is our else message. Okay, so basically that was quick tutorial about how to use nested if statement in C++ programming language. So I will see you in next episode. Okay, thanks, bye.